Alright guys, I want to show us how to clean our chicken. So today chicken here is but I just want to show you how literally you can clean it. It's very important, and mainly we're gonna be using lemon. You need lemon in your house, and vinegar, and olive oil, and baking powder. Not baking soda, baking powder. Baking soda is not. So you cut your lemon, of course the clean one, and of course add everything like olive oil and your vinegar a little bit, and then you will scrub it. So after everything, just use this like a scrubber to scrub. Hold on. Use this like a scrubber to scrub it so well, like I say. It's very important. Scrub it so well. You just need juice, but you need even this. It's very, it will do it so well. So you let it rest, and then you will cleanse it. Then you will have clean chicken. And then you